Let's get started for our packing for a 3-month trip, only carry-on. Okay, number one, this is my main suitcase. It's not that big, see? Aluminum, 0 Halliburton. They're a very high quality outfit. I used to use it for my computer and photography equipment, but now it's aluminum, it's small, it has tiny rolling wheels, and I'm using it for that. So I'm gonna go through packing because I'm just doing carry-on, and I want you to know I just have this in my media bag with my computer and cameras and hard drives. So let's get started. First of all, lay everything out that you're going to take because you're going to find that you chose too many things. Then try everything on because everything has to go with everything else. So your sweater has to go with your pants, your skirts have to go with your tops. Okay. So I've chosen 5 pairs of underwear. Right here, I've got tights, black, goes with everything, socks, a couple more socks, bathing suit. Now you might not need that, but I always end up jumping in the Mediterranean. So it depends on where you're going. If you're going to Europe, you can get away with very little consumer cosmetic products. I'm bringing my electric toothbrush with a tiny, where is it? This is my lotion, because I'll buy face lotion in France because they have much better stuff than we do at decent prices. Okay. I have my prescription for my glasses. You never know. Okay, so I pretty much stick to white, kind of a taupe, black, and my one red thing, which is my cashmere sweater. And white, did I mention that? I always end up wearing this, not that much. It's a nice linen sweater kind of thing that I got a long time ago. So I've done some repairing because once I try everything on, I realized some things needed some mending. And then I think I might have too many tops, but I love this one. It's a turtleneck. It's nice to have a turtleneck when it's cold because we're going in winter, but it's thin. It's cashmere and silk. This one is also cashmere and silk. I have black and white of these. Make sure you have the right bras and they look good with the shirts. Oh, I always bring a linen blouse that I got in Italy. I end up always wearing that. So you got to make sure that everything you're bringing is something that you're going to wear because you don't have any room to have a choice when you get there, and you're going to buy stuff too, so you want to leave room. Okay, this is one of my favorites, silk. And see, it's very thin. I got them in Italy at Intissima. That goes with everything. Now there's a skirt that's drying that I'm bringing. I'm bringing a top just like this one. I'm bringing one t-shirt because it's going to start getting warm at the end of March. A red t-shirt, 3 bras, 2 nude color, 1 black. I got my bathing suit. I think I showed those. This is a short cashmere skirt that's really nice when it's cold with tights, and my long coat, which goes mid-calf. It's a wool coat, really important to have. And then I have a black pair of jeans, black kind of yoga pants that I also got in Italy. I'll wear these on the plane. So decide what you're going to wear on the plane so you put that outside of your suitcase. You're not packing that. These are my long pants for sleeping in. And I've got one top to go with them. This is a cashmere top to go out. And that's it. I do bring a pillow, and I bring a case for it, a very small pillow that I kind of hide as I'm getting on. Okay, so here's some tips about getting on the plane. Don't ever try those sizing things at the airport because people will be watching you. And as soon as they see you do that, just assume that whatever you brought fits and just take it through. Keep it behind you. Keep your media bag if you have one. So this is mine over here. So I put all of my media stuff in here. Computer, cameras. This gets quite heavy, but I keep it behind me so nobody can see it in front in case they wanted to weigh it. Nobody ever asked me to weigh stuff. It happened once, but I check in online. You can check in online and then not check in at all at the airport because you don't have anything. What you do is, at least for French B, you check in online and then you go to the gate, go through security, go to the gate, and then you're going to just go to the counter and say that you're there because they got to check your passport, but they've never asked to look at my suitcase. So once you've cleared security and customs, you're fine. So if you have any questions, let me know. Highly recommend going only carry-on because it's so much easier. You don't have to wait when you get there and you're exhausted. I want to get off my 11-hour flight, go straight to my hotel, take a shower, breathe, have a drink, go eat, no matter what time it is. So, questions? Check it out below, and I'll see you in the next video.